All right, how's that? I hope you can hear me better. Let's start over again. So, I am about to repot one of my most precious plants. She's my favorite. And I shouldn't say that because I love all my plants, but you know how it is. This one's been in my collection for quite a while, a couple of years. Got her and another one together. Bought them at the same time, actually from Lowe's. And this was like maybe 2019. So I don't want to knock anything over, but just so you can see how long her vines go. And she had this for the longest, but they're starting to look kind of bad. So I'm just going to chop that whole thing off. There we go. Done. I did it. It's pretty long, but they were starting to look bad. So I left her maybe one or two. I don't know. There may be a couple more. But yeah. So anyway, I've had her in my collection for a long time. And some of her leaves are nice, thick, and succulent still, but then there are some that to me feel, actually now it feels fine, but there are a few here and there that feel like, I don't know, like maybe it's too thin. I don't know. So anyway, I just thought maybe since I've had it for so long, it wouldn't be a bad idea to give it some fresh soil. I wish she would flower for me, but that has not happened. Quite honestly, I don't really care. But if I didn't say this before, she is Hoya carnosa, crimson princess. Look at this leaf. Isn't that cool? I just love it because, the more you stare at it, the more variegation you see. And she has this plant is the one with the most variegation for me. The other one kind of reverted, was more green, and I took quite a few cuttings from it and made an all green carnosa, which I think I shared with you guys on video. So I'm going to do it. The other one had fallen out of its hanging macrame. I have macrame that hangs off the wall, off a monkey hook. And that's how I had them displayed for the longest. Wow. So look at this. As long as I've had this, I expected to see like more roots, but these plants can last years and years and years. And I'm going to put it back in the same pot, but I'm still going to refresh the soil. So prayerfully, everything will go well. She won't resent me messing with her soil. Wow, look at that. I love it when I give her the orchid bark, not orchid bark, orchid fertilizer, the spray. I spray the leaves periodically. Haven't been doing it lately. Guess I need to get better about that. But the stems turned out pretty pink all the way down. Like look, they look kind of pale right now, right? But hopefully, once I fertilize her with that fertilizer, I think she'll give me some more pink. I'm really nervous about this, but just you never know. You gotta try. Okay, so here we go. Pencil time. So I wanted to show you the mix that I'm using. So I took, the base is just organic Miracle Grow. And then I added orchid bark. And I'm going to show you the particular kind I got. It's very, very chunky. I added some, sorry for my arm. It's a weird angle. I added some perlite, charcoal, and also worm castings, earthworm castings. Got some of that. I wanted to put that in there. I'm going to add a little bit of slow release. And what else is in here? Cinnamon, maybe. I usually add cinnamon to containers when I mix it up. Just winging it. Let me show you which kind I got this time. I don't usually get this one. As far as the orchid bark potting mix. You can see what's in here. This is not sponsored. So this is the Phalaenopsis formula. And I got this because I do have a little orchid I really had gotten for somebody else, but I never got together with her to give it to her. So I'm just going to keep her, but she needs to be repotted. I don't like what she's in. So this has chunky peat in there for maximum, to retain moisture, and the fir bark is for maximum airflow. And the charcoal, they have some I added extra, cleans naturally, and the perlite is for drainage. So that's the particular brand I got. It's a little bit more expensive than the other one, but I thought I'd get this one so that orchid can be repotted as well. And I know Hoyas typically like the orchid bark in their soil. So here we go. All right, so she's looking good. Remember how good she's looking, just in case she goes downhill on me. I'm not wishing that on me, but you know how it is when you do these kind of things. I'm going to turn this a bit. So first I'm going to fill it up with some of the soil mix. and they're really kind of soft right now. So I am gonna give her a good shower and rinse her off. And I think that's it for today as far as filming goes. Um, I do have a couple things to share with you. Like I said, I'll be breaking this potting up series over a few videos. So it's maybe 10 minutes long. This one is at 10:40 something right now since I turned it back on, so I'm sure it's too long. But anyway, this is my baby. I love her to death. And like I said, comment below, give me some names. She's a princess, all right. So come up with some names for me. Let me go shower her off and give her some water. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you soon.